Hey, it's Alfonso Lixara, and today I wanted to introduce more ways in which playbooks make your marketing happen automatically. So, as we all know, the moment your listing hits the MLS or changes its status, playbooks detect this, and your agents get a on brand, complete campaign ready to post or print or send mailers automatically. But they can also trigger campaigns anytime that they need them on demand. They can paste any MLS ID into a playbook and basically get the full marketing campaign instantly sent to their email, or they can just access it within Sara. So social posts, captions, print materials, everything's there. A perfect use case or example that we have here is when you have an open house and the MLS hasn't recorded the event time yet, or it hasn't been entered into the MLS. So what you would do here is you would paste the MLS ID, you would select your open house time, and you would just add or select the agent that will be hosting the open house. Sometimes it's the listing agent, sometimes it's an agent that is doing it for them. So in this case, let's select the listing agent and hit go. And of course, it can be triggered for a just listed home or pretty much any stage of the listings lifecycle. So what happens with off-market properties or pocket listings? All you have to do is just drop in your property link and Playbooks will pull in all the details, applies your brand, and sends the campaign straight to the agent, just like in a fully automatic playbook would work. And of course, they can also enter them manually. The great thing about this is that if they need any extra marketing for a listing, they can create as many campaigns as they want with just one click. There's no waiting, no design work. It just works. So there you have it. With Playbooks, every property gets marketing in minutes, whether it's automatically or on demand. Till next time.